Today, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's get into it. As always, let's start off with the box. We just got a quick tear right here. There we go. And let's open it right up. There we have it. Apple does really well with these boxes. Let's just pull iPhone box out. Man, such a good job. Okay, now we have the iPhone box itself right here. And let's pull it like this, right? No, okay. You gotta tear the label right here. And it's open. Let's watch it. Oh. There we go, okay. We have the phone itself. Let's set it off to the side real fast. We have a braided charging cable, USB-C to, oh, that's right, USB-C, because this phone has USB-C. That's really cool. Next, we have a design by Apple in California with the stickers and information on the inside. But instead of a SIM card ejector, it just says you no longer need a physical SIM card anymore. Instead, it's gonna be eSIM. So let's just put this off to the side. Wow, okay, let's pull this off. And there we have it. Wow. I'm definitely noticing that this is a lot lighter than the other Pro phones, and I really like this titanium finish. This looks awesome. Cool. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a quick unboxing. First impressions, I mean, it's exactly what it looks like on the website. I really like this natural titanium finish. Action button right here, and the USB-C port, cameras, all the cool stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be making some awesome content around this phone, especially about the camera. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.